Hi, everybody. Few Air Canada flights are flying today. So, just few Air Canada flights are flying today. Because today, there was an Air Canada flight attendant strike today. So, there's like few of them flying today. Yeah, there's a few of them flying. Like places like Toronto, Montreal, Calgary, Vancouver, Edmonton, Saskatoon, Regina, even Fort St. John, British Columbia, Prince George, Victoria, like those places. And Philadelphia to Montreal, Ottawa to Washington, D.C., Philadelphia to Toronto, New York to Montreal, Chicago to Montreal, St. Louis to Toronto. And these two were on the ground. So, yeah. So, few of them are on the ground.